Quiz 8, question 2 for upper extremity. This question asked you about bimanual tasks. So you had a situation where the right arm is weaker than the left. And when you move the arms together, the weaker right arm is able to move faster than it is if you were to just move the weak right arm on its own. And this is known as temporal assimilation. Temporal means time. So when you move the two hands together, if one side is weaker than the other, it's helped, so to speak, by the stronger side and is allowed to move faster than if it would to move on its own, because the right and left arm are interconnected. And we call this temporal assimilation or temporal interdependence. One arm is interdependent on the other. B was spatial assimilation. Spatial means movement in space, and this is incorrect, but can also happen. So if you again have a right weak arm and a stronger left arm, or even just two arms in general, if one arm is moving over a hurdle and the other arm doesn't have to move over a hurdle, but they're both working together, then the arm that doesn't have to go over the hurdle still increases its movement trajectory because it's kind of constrained by the arm that is moving over the hurdle. So again, even though this hand may be able to do this because there is no hurdle, if this hand is forced to go over a hurdle, you will see an increase in the movement trajectory of the arm that doesn't have to go over the hurdle, simply because there is spatial assimilation. Spatial means like increasing the movement trajectory as opposed to the time aspect.